So this is new. This wasn't here last time we came in February last year. Fancy building. I think it's a day spa. Oh no, looks like it's a couple of businesses. So it looks like there's a restaurant in there and a day spa. So Oasis Day Spa. Oh, and another restaurant as well, a Japanese restaurant. Yeah. So we've just had dinner at the Legian food court and we've decided to walk back to our villa. So this street is called Jalan Patih Jalantik and will take us up to Jalan Legian. Hello, how are you? Hello, burger. Now, last time we came here, we just walked down the street a bit and there's an ice cream shop that the girls really liked. Not sure if it's still here or not. We'll soon find out because it's only not very far up here. There you go, teeth whitening, 199k. There you go, and there's the address if you want to look it up online. Why, what do you want to do?
Take people.
What?
People first talk about
It'll just be up here. We'll soon find out whether it's still there or not. So apothec, pharmacy, they're everywhere, all over the place, so just keep an eye out for them. So if you're unwell, some of these places actually have some medical staff. You can go in and get advice and they'll help you. Hotel Neo. Mother Huckers. Another sports bar sort of thing it looks like. No thank you. No thank you. That's the old Bali hustle. You'll get that everywhere you go. A lot of places have people out the front trying to encourage you to come into their establishment. So you had beer buses. Not my thing, but if you're interested, there's quite a few companies around which do these tours. That's one. Beaver. No shortage of tattoo establishments. Yeah, I think it's gone because it was here somewhere, wasn't it? So the ice cream shop that the girls really like, it was called Rolled, is no longer here. Another thing you'll have to navigate. All the bikes on the footpath. Right, so in front of us now is Jalan Legian. Banana milk. I don't know, we might be able to see. Addison's obsessed with banana milk. You'll find lots of tourist shops, restaurants, tattoo shops, spas, and a lot more along this stretch of Jalan Legian. So there's the famous Two Bob. Do you want to have a look at Two Bob? We'll cross the road anyway. Oh, look at that. Big gap. So yeah, that's the famous Two Bob that everyone talks about. So yeah, Jalan Melasti up that way. No, too many people. We actually don't have that far to go, really. So Quicksilver, that would be a genuine store. Oh, Bondi shop's closed. Tomorrow, yeah, no worries. Oh.
Oh,
Good price. Good price. Very cheap for you.
Just looking.
yeah, cute cake.
Yeah. I just want to have a look at something.
I have black one, white one. What size?
I'm looking for embroidered. You don't have embroidered?
Border. Yeah, the border like this.
Oh yeah, but that particular one.
Number 3.
Yeah. Oh. They're all Jordan. Not embroidered? No. No.
Hang on. I'll check.
Yeah. Thank you for looking. Alright. Thank you for looking. Heaps of your bucket bags. So this is Jalan Melasti in front of us. That's it for this video. So please subscribe if you can. It really helps us out. Take care, safe travels, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video.